We're going outside in the blizzard with Zepplin. We're gonna see what she does. You ready to go outside and play in the snow? You ready for the whiteout? Here we go. I gotta switch hands so I don't drop the camera. Snow! It's snowing! What's up? It snows, Zepplin. Look how deep it is. Come on! Let's go play! Come on! Oh, you're coming out of your sweater. You look a little bunny. Come on! That's weird. Oh, you lost your sweater. Hold on, you're stuck in the tree. Hold on. Zeppy, come on. Oh, you're peeing. Come on. It's taller than you are, puppy. She's hopping like a little bunny rabbit. Oh, sorry. Snow. Get out of there. Come on. Let's go in the house. Come on over here. All right, let's go in. It's cold. Come on, Zeppy.